The pilgrimage is a 7-week Become Your Higher Self Accelerator. So when I started my journey, I didn't understand how to heal myself. I didn't understand what needed healing. I didn't understand the concepts or the philosophies or the ideas behind why I was even healing. I didn't have a strategy or a direction. And the second thing I didn't have is I didn't have a community. I started by myself. I started out doing a lot of this work on my own. I felt really lonely. I felt really as if I didn't belong and I wasn't accepted by those around me. I didn't have other people that I could communicate with about my challenges and other people that could support me and keep me accountable to moving forward in this work. We have these subconscious and unconscious ways that we block ourselves from success. And the pilgrimage is designed to help a person let go of that. It takes you through the process of understanding how to heal yourself, understanding how you became your false identity or your lower self, understanding how you created your limiting beliefs, how you're creating self-sabotage, how you're holding yourself back, why you feel like an imposter in your life and business. And it's helping you unbecome those false patterns and become your true, authentic higher self. The pilgrimage takes the client through what's called the higher self formula. That's ancient, it's thousands of years old. It's older than any religion. And so this formula takes them through the process of understanding how they created their suffering and understanding how to change their suffering. Because I believe that all suffering in the present moment is from some kind of program or belief that was created in the past. So when we understand how we've created our limitations and our struggles and our suffering, then the healing starts to happen almost automatically. So if we can unprogram or reprogram those beliefs and the unprocessed pain and trauma in a rapid way, then we can change our lives rapidly. At one point, my beliefs, my fears, my limitations, they were valuable for me. At one point in my past, my limitations provided value for me. As my desires and my dreams evolved, then my programming was no longer accurate to the type of life that I want to experience. My programming no longer matched my desires and my dreams. So it's either we heal voluntarily or we heal involuntarily, but as the collective raises, we will heal one way or another. So the pilgrimage takes a person through the process of removing themselves from the world of duality where everything out there is happening to me and I'm a victim and I just have to go with what happens, to a mindset of unity where reality is coming from me, for me, and that everything is a gift, and that when I see it from that higher perspective, I can find empowerment in any situation.